Title: Retirement Planning: Building a Protected Future. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will examine a significant point that influences everybody: retirement arranging. Many individuals ignore the meaning of making arrangements for their brilliant years, yet it's never too soon to begin. In this video, we will walk you through the rudiments of retirement arranging and deal functional tips to construct a solid future. How about we make a plunge? 1. Setting the stage. Before we bounce into the particulars, how about we comprehend the reason why retirement arranging is urgent? Picture this: you have really buckled down for what seems like forever, and presently it is the ideal time to unwind and partake in your rewards for all the hard work. However, without legitimate preparation, you might wind up battling monetarily. That is where retirement arranging comes in. 2. Evaluating your monetary situation. The initial step is to evaluate what is happening. Ascertain your resources, including reserve funds, ventures, and any retirement accounts you might have. Consider your month-to-month costs, obligations, and anticipated future expenses. This assessment will assist you with understanding where you stand monetarily and put forth sensible retirement objectives. 3. Deciding retirement goals. What's the significance here to you? Everybody's objectives are unique, whether it's venturing to the far corners of the planet, seeking after a side interest, or investing quality energy with family. Decide your retirement objectives and gauge the related expenses. This will give you an objective to pursue and inspire you to save more. 4. Making a retirement investment funds plan. Since you have your objectives, now is the ideal time to make a retirement investment funds plan. Investigate different retirement accounts, for example, 401(k)s or IRAs, and comprehend their advantages and commitment limits. Set a month-to-month or yearly reserve funds target and investigate speculation choices that line up with your gamble resilience and time skyline. 5. Expanding retirement contributions. To construct a significant retirement store, think about boosting your commitments. Exploit business matching projects if accessible, as they give free cash towards your retirement. Furthermore, recollect, beginning early gives your ventures additional opportunity to develop. 6. Overseeing ventures and diversification. Appropriately dealing with your speculations is fundamental. Broaden your portfolio by spreading speculations across various resource classes, like stocks, bonds, and land. Consistently audit and rebalance your ventures to guarantee they line up with your gamble resistance and changing economic situations. 7. Changing your retirement plan. Life is eccentric, and your retirement plan ought to be adaptable. Return to your arrangement intermittently, particularly during significant life-altering situations like marriage, having youngsters, or evolving professions. Make changes as important to keep your retirement procedure on target. 8. Looking for proficient advice. In the event that you feel overpowered or need master direction, make it a point to the assistance of a monetary consultant. They can give customized counsel, assist with enhancing your retirement plan, and guarantee you are on the correct way to a protected future. And keep in mind, it's never too soon to begin saving and getting ready for your retirement. Thanks for watching this video.